Have you ever wondered why it's the easiest time to be rich today? Welcome to the golden age of wealth, a period marked by an unprecedented increase in self-made millionaires and billionaires. This is an era where the ordinary individual, armed with just a laptop and an internet connection, can tap into global markets and amass fortunes that were once the exclusive preserve of the world's elite. The rapid advances in technology have played a significant role in this wealth revolution. Innovations in fintech, e-commerce, and social media have transformed how we do business, making it possible for entrepreneurs to reach customers across the globe from the comfort of their homes. The internet has leveled the playing field and made wealth creation more democratic than ever before. But it's not just technology that's driving this golden age of wealth. The globalization of economies has opened up new avenues for wealth creation. Today, you can invest in a startup in Silicon Valley, trade commodities in Shanghai, or buy real estate in Dubai, all without leaving your living room. And let's not forget the rise of social media platforms. These digital arenas have become powerful tools for business and wealth creation. They've allowed businesses to connect with customers on a more personal level, foster brand loyalty, and drive sales. Moreover, social media influencers are making a fortune by leveraging their follower base and partnering with brands for endorsements. Then there are the financial markets, which have become more accessible to the average person. You no longer need a Wall Street pedigree or a fortune to start investing. Today, with just a few clicks, anyone can buy stocks, trade, forex, or even invest in cryptocurrencies. Moreover, the increasing focus on financial literacy and the abundance of resources available online have empowered individuals to take control of their financial future. Today, you can learn about investing, starting a business, or managing your finances from the best minds in the world, all for free on the internet. Indeed, there has never been a better time to accumulate wealth than today. So buckle up as we explore this golden age of wealth and uncover the secrets of the self-made millionaires and billionaires of our time. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane and compare the opportunities for wealth creation in the past with those of today. In the past, the path to wealth was primarily paved with gold and land. It was a time when the rich got richer and the poor stayed poor, with few exceptions. The wealth gap was vast, and crossing it was a Herculean task. Opportunities for wealth creation were limited due to various factors such as lack of technology, limited markets, and restrictive social and economic systems. Imagine a time when the only way to start a business was to have a physical storefront, products, and a local customer base. You were restricted by your geographical location and the size of your local market. Your business could only grow as far as your horse and cart could travel. Fast forward to today, and the picture is dramatically different. Technology has revolutionized the way we live, work, and create wealth. The rise of the internet has opened up global markets and created opportunities that our ancestors could only dream of. Now, anyone, anywhere, with an internet connection can start a business, reach a global audience, and create wealth. Technology has democratized wealth creation. It's no longer about who your parents are or where you live. It's about your ideas, your drive, and your ability to leverage the tools available to you. Moreover, our economic systems have evolved to be more inclusive and supportive of entrepreneurship. We've moved away from rigid social structures to a world where the son of a factory worker can become a billionaire tech mogul. Consider the rise of cryptocurrencies. In the past, investing was a game for the wealthy. But today, digital currencies are creating a new generation of millionaires and billionaires. They are accessible to anyone, regardless of their economic status. The opportunities for wealth creation have significantly expanded and improved over the years. The world is now a playground for entrepreneurs and innovators. The barriers to wealth creation have been shattered, and the potential for prosperity is greater than ever. Clearly, the opportunities for wealth creation have significantly expanded and improved over the years. One of the most notable developments in recent years is the rise of cryptocurrency millionaires. Now, this phenomenon is a direct result of the digital revolution, where cryptocurrencies have emerged as a new asset class. The likes of Bitcoin and Ethereum, these digital currencies, have created a new generation of millionaires and billionaires. Imagine a world where the traditional financial system, with its banks, brokers, and intermediaries, is being challenged by a decentralized digital system where transactions are transparent and secure. This is the world of cryptocurrencies. The stories are fascinating. Young investors, tech enthusiasts, and even Wall Street veterans are all part of this new breed of crypto millionaires. Some have become millionaires overnight, their digital wallets swelling with the value of their crypto assets. But let's not forget, with great rewards come great risks. Cryptocurrencies are notoriously volatile. The value of these digital coins can swing wildly in a matter of hours. Remember the story of Bitcoin? It went from being worth a few cents in 2010 to nearly $60,000 in 2021, only to drop to half its peak value in a few months. Investing in cryptocurrencies should not be a gamble. It requires understanding, research, and a well-calculated risk appetite. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a strategic investment. Now, despite stories of lost fortunes and market crashes, the allure of cryptocurrencies remains. Younger generations who have lost faith in traditional financial systems due to past economic crises and social movements see crypto as a way out. They see it as an opportunity to create wealth in a way that previous generations could not. But it's important to remember that crypto should only form a part of a diversified portfolio. As the old saying goes, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Allocate a small portion of your investment portfolio to crypto, but don't neglect other investment opportunities. Cryptocurrencies, despite their risks, have indeed opened up a new avenue for wealth creation. They have given rise to a new era of digital millionaires, reshaping our perceptions of wealth and how it can be acquired. But as with all investments, trade carefully, do your research, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. But what does it take to become a billionaire in today's world? It's a question many of us ask. And while the answer isn't exactly straightforward, there are a few common paths that those in the Billionaires Club have tread. According to a Business Insider article, there are 3 legal ways to join this exclusive group: inheritance, marrying into wealth, or making a significant amount of money; Inheritance and marrying into wealth are, of course, dependent on external factors. However, the third path, making a significant amount of money, is something we have more control over. It's interesting to note that the majority of billionaires on the Forbes 400 list earned their wealth this way. They didn't just accumulate a high salary over time. Instead, they owned assets such as stocks, partnerships, or licensing agreements that increased in value over time. The key here is to create or buy something and make it worth billions. This might sound daunting, but remember, many billionaires have made their fortunes in the tech industry, an industry that didn't even exist a few decades ago. This is a testament to the opportunities available in our current era, where new industries are emerging at an unprecedented rate. It's also important to remember that time, focus, and a bit of luck play a role in this journey. And while living in a country like the United States, which boasts the highest number of billionaires, could provide more opportunities, the rise of the digital age means that these opportunities are becoming more accessible, regardless of geography. The most reliable path, then, is to start or buy a small company and grow it into a large one. This is more feasible today due to the reasons we discussed earlier in this video: the rise of the digital age, the accessibility of resources, and the advent of new industries. Becoming a billionaire may still be a far-fetched dream for many, but it is certainly more achievable now than ever before. So how can an ordinary person increase their wealth in today's age? You're probably asking. The key lies in owning assets that increase in value over time. This isn't a secret strategy reserved for the elite. Today, it's more affordable and accessible than ever before. Consider stocks. They're not just pieces of paper or digits in a trading account. They represent ownership in a company and a share in its future earnings. As the company grows and prospers, so does the value of your stock. And thanks to online trading platforms, anyone can become a shareholder of promising companies right from the comfort of their couch. Then there are partnerships. This could be as simple as joining forces with a friend to start a business, or as complex as investing in a real estate syndication. When you're part of a partnership, you're pooling resources, sharing risks, and multiplying potential returns. And with the rise of crowdfunding and peer-to-peer lending platforms, entering a partnership is no longer limited to those with deep pockets or a wide network. Don't forget about licensing agreements. They're like golden keys that unlock a stream of passive income. You could invent a product, write a book, or create a software, and then license it to others for a fee. Every time your licensed asset is sold or used, you get paid. Imagine waking up to find that while you were sleeping, a company on the other side of the world sold 1,000 units of your invention. That's the power of licensing agreements. Moreover, these assets aren't just about making money. They're also about preserving and growing your wealth. In an era of low interest rates and rising inflation, holding cash is like watching your money slowly melt away. But assets like stocks, partnerships, and licensing agreements can provide a hedge against inflation and potentially offer returns that outpace it. So let's go back to our initial question. How can you increase your wealth in today's age? by owning valuable assets and letting them grow over time. Yes, it requires patience. Yes, it involves risk. But remember, every billionaire was once an ordinary person who decided to take a chance. By owning valuable assets and letting them grow over time, anyone can increase their wealth in today's world. What does the future hold for wealth creation? Entering the realm of speculation, we can predict that the future will continue to offer a plethora of opportunities for wealth creation. As we look ahead, we see a horizon teeming with potential, shaped by emerging technologies, new markets, and evolving economic systems. Consider the exponential growth of technology. We're living in an era where new technologies such as artificial intelligence, blockchain, and quantum computing are redefining industries. These technologies are not only creating new markets, but also revolutionizing existing ones, opening up novel avenues for wealth creation. Think about the potential of AI. It's being integrated into everything from healthcare to transportation, creating a vast array of investment opportunities. Blockchain technology, the backbone of cryptocurrencies, is disrupting financial systems, supply chains, and even the art world with NFTs. Quantum computing, though still in its infancy, promises to revolutionize everything from drug discovery to climate modeling. But it's not just about technology. The future of wealth also lies in our evolving economic systems. We're seeing a shift from a traditional economy to a digital one. The gig economy, remote work, and e-commerce are becoming increasingly prevalent, creating new ways to earn and invest. And let's not forget about sustainability. As the world grapples with climate change, sustainable and green technologies are emerging as a crucial market. Investing in renewable energy, electric vehicles, and other green technologies could potentially yield substantial returns in the coming years. Then there are the transformative social movements, from gender equality to racial justice, that are reshaping the business landscape. Companies that champion these movements are not only gaining public approval, but are also reaping financial benefits. Investing in these socially conscious companies could be another promising avenue for wealth creation. In essence, the future is a kaleidoscope of opportunities. It's a landscape shaped by technological advancements, evolving economic systems, and transformative social movements. And this landscape is ripe with potential for those who are willing to seize the opportunities it presents. The future promises even more opportunities for wealth creation, making today the perfect time to start building wealth. So, is it indeed the easiest time to be rich today? We have journeyed through the golden age of wealth, comparing the past and the present. We've seen the rise of crypto millionaires, the blueprint to becoming a billionaire, and the power of assets. The future of wealth is bright and filled with opportunities. In this age, we're witnessing the democratization of wealth creation. The world of cryptocurrency has given birth to a new breed of millionaires, those who are not afraid to explore digital frontiers. The path to becoming a billionaire is no longer exclusive. It's now accessible to anyone willing to create or acquire value and watch it grow. The power of assets can't be understated. Stocks, partnerships, or licensing agreements are all tools that can significantly increase one's wealth. And let's not forget the humble pantry staple, the dried bean, reminding us that wealth isn't just about making more money, but also about making smart, cost-effective choices. Looking into the future, we see a landscape filled with even more opportunities. As technology continues to progress, so too will the avenues for wealth creation. The barriers that once existed are crumbling, making it easier for anyone with the ambition and tenacity to build their wealth. Yes, it certainly is the easiest time to be rich today, and it's only going to get easier. So what are you waiting for? Start building your wealth today.